seen ads for the Lorax Pro shoes for hikes footwear. They promise top-tier comfort, thick grip, and all-day support. Basically, your dream shoes for hiking or everyday wear. But are they actually legit or just another Instagram store scam? Let's check it out. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. According to their website, the Lorax Pro shoes are lightweight, waterproof, and built for tough terrain. The product page looks sleek and the shoes definitely look solid. But the Trustpilot reviews tell a different story. A lot of customers mention long shipping times, poor quality materials, and a big gap between what's advertised and what shows up. Some say the shoes feel cheap or look totally different than the photos. There is also mention of weak customer service, so if anything goes wrong, don't expect much help. Are Lorax Pro shoes from Hike Footwear worth it? Honestly, probably not. The site's real, but the product doesn't seem to live up to the hype. And the poor reviews are a big red flag. Try Hike Footwear yourself. Drop your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on trending products in online stores.